What up, everybody? Justin here. Ingrid Off-Road Adventures. Ingrid's right there behind me. You can see my little dog, Shasta. Shasta! Shasta! Say hi. This is the house. This is the place, you know. That's what I got. There's my Tiguan MDX. Alright, well, back to what y'all are here for. Let's show a little bit of Ingrid and what we're doing this week. Alright, everybody, here she is. Ingrid's 83K5, just in case you missed last week. 83K5, 6.2 Detroit diesel. ATS hybrid turbo setup done by me and my buddy. So yeah, let's show you what we got. So let's start here. This is Dixie Pack Fun Country 44s. I re-grooved them. Make a little bit better tread on them here. I got Kingpin Dana 60 front axle with hydro assist, also kind of DIY, done by me and my buddy. I have the DIY 4x end cap for my steering box. Got off-road design, disconnectable adjustable sway bar. Tapped the top of the box right there for the hydro. Bilstein 7100s. Resi shocks. I do have these drop blocks. I really don't like them. I did it to get me on the road, but I'm going to be trying to get rid of them. I'm going to try to get some 2-inch lift, 56-inch Chevy springs so I can get this all set up normal how it should be. Got all my lights working this week. Well, sorry, all my headlights. All my headlights and light bar and all that shit. That's all working now. And sadly, I found that I had quite the leak going on at the transfer case, so I really got to get that handled. I got it pulled out today. And then, just in case you missed last week's, here's the engine setup. It is like I said, it's an ATS turbo with the ATS turbo manifold. Got a, 14 by 5-inch air filter on it. Really, I love this engine because it's almost purely mechanical. There's not really any electrical to it at all. You have these 3 electrical connectors right here. Other than that, you have nothing. It's mechanical cable. Got my little boost tap in there so I can see what's going on there. Disconnected the cruise control stuff because it didn't work anyway. PTP turbo blanket on the turbo there. We made a downpipe. Here's our downpipe we made. This is a flex joint right here, so don't worry about all that right there. 3.5-inch downpipe. Coming down here, we have just a dump back here. And then, like I said, we pulled out the transfer case today because she was puking. I got to finish doing some wiring. Got a high angle, long slip drive line in the front. Like I said, Kingpin Dana 60. We got 454 gears, welded a front diff. And then back here, moving on to the back, corporate 14 bolt, 454, or sorry, not 454, 456 gears. Fully adjustable spring purchase. Also fully adjustable spring hanger. As you can see here, I had to move the shackle hangers back. And these are like 7-inch long shackles as well. 4-inch lift, 64-inch Chevy springs. I absolutely love the ride quality of this thing. Like I said, I have not yet got the tailgate all done or the tail lights wired in yet. Working on that. And as you can see, I had my high lift mount here, but it destroyed the tailgate. As you can see here, it did it on both sides. So I gotta fix that. I got a new tailgate all cleaned up and ready. All these freaking studs are all rusted in, so I did something a little different with the trim panel. Has power tailgate in it right now, but we're either gonna go to a manual crank if I can find one, or I might convert the top to be able to use a camper shell window. I don't really want to, but it might be the easiest way at this point. I got my high lift mounted up there on the roof rack now. Batteries are in the back. It's not the perfect setup, but it works. I mean, 2 runs of 2-aught from the front to the back. Battery grounds are ran directly through the floor into the frame, and then those are 500-pound straps holding the battery into an 1.5-inch thick battery box I built and sealed up so it wouldn't rot or mold or anything like that. Yeah, guys, I mean, I don't really have too much more, and that's Ingrid. That's who she is. Really love to get me some bead locks on some 12-inch wide wheels, but Probably won't happen anytime soon. These are 15 by 10s, and they were good. I can still run this thing down at 3 pounds tire pressure, no problem. Here in the inside, got pretty stock interior for the most part. Painted everything. I have 2 layers of sound deadener everywhere in here. So you can see sky high sound deadener absolutely everywhere. Rockford Prime 1200.1 under this seat, Prime 300.4 under the other seat. Got some Infinity Kappa perfect coax or components. Switched to manual windows because my old power windows wouldn't work for shit. Finished building this door. I still have to build the other one. Got Dakota digital analog gauge cluster setup all done. Everything's wired, everything works. Got some trim, got my lights all working. Super stoked about that. All my dome lights work. Got the boys booster seat, but still need to build some side panels. We did a patch job here on the Striker because it was ripping the body. I mean, honestly, everything's kind of rusted on this thing, and on top of that, it you know, when all you do is wheel your shit, it kind of takes a toll on it. There's the dash set up. Got some 4-inch speakers in the dash. Built the grills myself. They don't look perfect, but man, they sure sound good with the 300.4. Got the CB setup going on. And then let me take you around to show you the other couple things I got going. Got the new tailgate. Like I said, I'd really like to find a manual window crank for the back tailgate, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. But if I do, got new glass for it. And then, like I was saying, my transfer case is absolutely puking. I thought it was cracked for a while because of how bad it was leaking, but we lucked out, and it turns out that it just shit this seal out right here. So we're going to reseal the case. I'm going to do the whole thing since it's out. Reseal it all, change these. During the week, I'll do a separate video of me breaking this case down and resealing the whole thing, changing out all the seals. And then I got my high angle driveline right here, double carbon CV on it. It's a slip driveline. I really don't like it. I really like to do a slip yoke eliminator, but I don't think I can really swing that right now. And then, because I got the Dakota digital set up, I have an electronic sender to go on here. I got to clean this whole thing up before I break the case down because I don't want to get it full of dirt. And this is only temporary too. I have a 203 range box and a 205, and I'm going to start my doubler setup as soon as I can and get some dual cases in her. And yeah, other than that, that's all I got for you this week. Hope you guys stick with me, and we'll see you on the trail soon. Hoping to be out on the mountains in the next month, or the next 2-3 weeks. So ready to go. Just got to get her fixed up the rest of the way, and we'll be on our way. Thanks for tuning in and watching, everybody. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Promise I'll have some badass videos coming soon. Got a friend with a drone, so we're gonna do some drone videos. We got 5 or 6 rigs ready to go. Yeah, we just can't wait to make some awesome content for y'all this winter. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.